got a video here on demolding a 3D printed mold of a weather strip, and I've already cut off the pressure sprue. This is when the material is put into the mold is closed. This hole is there to allow pressure to build so that the urethane will skin over, plus be able to escape without destroying the mold by the internal pressure. So we'll release the clamp here. And it got a little leakage between the mold halves. Not bad, nothing that won't just come right off. So we can get in here and pull this out now. Kind of gently here. This is a 17-pound cubic foot foam. It's flexible urethane. See, it's coming out. Foamed a little big. That's probably because I was using a little bit older material instead of fresh new material. It had been open for 2 or 3 months, and it tends to degrade pretty quickly once it's open. So I've got some fresh I'll put in there instead, but as you can see, the wrong end showing. Pretty decent match for the profile. This is pretty old and crackly, pretty degraded, so it was a combination of 3D scanning and modeling between a new old stock that we had profile and some old ones which have been pulled off of vehicles to try to get the true shape that the part actually was. After sitting on the shelf for 50 years, this I'm sure has shrunk and changed its shape considerably. Not real unhappy with that for a first shot. I've got some 25-pound foam I may try next. Mushy, certainly resilient enough though. It just needs to have a little smaller gas bubble structure inside than what the original did to be a perfect match. Well, so look at the mold. This is 3D printed. Once we get the shape and everything the way it should be, then we'll machine this 2-part mold. We'll machine this out of HDPE, and it will be the same length as the original, which is some 22 inches long.